What? Hey guys, it's Bubblegum3210, and again, I'm going to be showing you my gingerbread house I just made today. And I'm in grade 4. See right there. Yep. Yummy. Yummy, I tell you. See, look at this. Look at this candy cane here. Look down here. Move this back. Does that look good to you? This walkway is made out of jelly beans. But you can't get it out because of the icing.
Brianna, can you please drink all of your milk?
This chocolate thing are good. Minty. You see that? That's a cheeseburger on a chocolate table. So I'm gonna bring it back. And I just got the new iPod update yesterday too. How to update my iPod. My dad said I get it because he said I mess it up. And destroy my memory. If I mess it up, no iPod. No apps. It's the I'm just staring at the cheeseburger. Good. And you call my friend. Color list. Okay. See you guys. I gotta go. So I'm gonna call my friend. Bye. Here. You want some candy? You do? No!